Hi there, and welcome back to ESL Easy English, the podcast that helps you learn English the easy way, one conversation at a time. I'm your host, James, and today we're going to talk about the future continuous tense. This tense is super useful when you want to describe what you will be doing at a certain time in the future. It's also great for polite questions about people's plans. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to explain what will be happening at a specific future time and make your English sound more fluent. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the future continuous tense? We use it to talk about actions that will be in progress at a specific future time, actions that will be interrupted by another action in future, polite or indirect questions about someone's plans. Here are some examples. I will be studying at 8 p.m. tomorrow. She will be working when you arrive. Will you be using the computer later? Part 2, How to Form the Future. Continuous tense. The structure for future continuous tense is subject plus will plus be plus verb, ending in ing. Here are some examples. I will be reading. You will be working. He, she, it will be playing. We will be cooking. They will be traveling. Part 3, Short forms. In everyday speech, we often shorten will. I will, I'll. You will, you'll. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. We will, we'll. They will, they'll. Here are some examples. I'll be working tomorrow evening. They'll be staying with us this weekend. Part 4, Negatives and Questions. For negatives, the structure will be subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb, ending in ing. Here are some examples. I will not be working tomorrow. I won't be working tomorrow. They won't be staying here next week. For questions, we switch the order will plus subject plus be plus verb ending in ing. Here are some examples. Will you be studying at 8 tonight? Will she be traveling when we visit? Will they be working on Saturday? Part 5. When do we use the future continuous? Here are 3 main uses. Number 1. Actions in progress at a specific time in the future. Example, this time tomorrow, I'll be flying to London. At 10 a.m., she'll be taking her exam. Number 2. Future actions that will be interrupted. Example, I'll be working when you call me. They'll be eating dinner when we arrive. Number 3. Polite or indirect questions about plans. Example, will you be joining us for dinner? Will you be needing the car this afternoon? Part 6. Time expressions with future continuous tense. We often use these time expressions. At this time tomorrow. This time next week. Month. Year. Later today. Tonight. In the morning. In the evening. When plus another future event. Here are some examples. At this time tomorrow, I'll be lying on the beach. They'll be celebrating when we call. We'll be working all night. Part 7. Let's practice together. Okay, repeat after me, shadowing style. I will say the sentence first and then you repeat. 1. I'll be working at 9 a.m. tomorrow. 2. They won't be staying here next week. 3. Will she be traveling when we arrive? 4. We'll be having dinner at 8 tonight. 5. He'll be sleeping at this time tomorrow. Now let's do yes/no questions. Answer out loud. Say the answer yes I will, no I won't, or yes they will. No they won't. Will you be studying tomorrow evening? Will it be raining this weekend? Will they be working on the project at this time next week? Part 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Forgetting B. Wrong, I will working tomorrow. Right, I will be working tomorrow. Mistake 2. Using present continuous instead of future continuous. Wrong, I am working at 9 tomorrow. Right, I will be working at 9 tomorrow. Mistake 3. Using past continuous instead of future continuous. Wrong. I was studying at this time tomorrow. Right. I will be studying at this time tomorrow. Part 9. Final recap. Let's go over what we have learned. Structured subject plus will plus be plus verb ending in ing. Use it for actions in progress at a specific future time. Use won't be for negatives. Switch the word order for questions. Time expressions. Tomorrow at this time, when, later next week. The future continuous helps you describe future plans clearly and politely. Practice it, and your English will sound more fluent and confident. Check the description for a link to a free PDF worksheet to practice everything from today's episode. Thanks for joining me on ESL Easy English. If you liked this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English. And remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll be. I'm James, and I'll see you next time.